Hello students. Today in this video I will discuss basically about mutable and immutable data types. In class I have already explained this. So for your just clarification purpose, a small video I am preparing here. You may just refer this for your understanding. Okay. Basically in the Python programming, mutable is nothing but it's like you can change, can be changed changed after creation. After creation, what is the meaning of this? After creation, if you are creating any variable, declaring any variable, assigning any value, and you want to change in that, you may able to change if it is mutable type. Immutable means immutable means can't be changed. Okay, can't be changed, can't be changed after creation. Keep in mind. Now we will explore it. What is the meaning of this? I'm taking you directly on the VS Code so that I can explain it practically. So let's say I have a one list and I have values like 1, 2, 3. Okay. If I will print it, observe here, what it will do. It is returning the list. Okay. It is returning the list. Okay. This is good. Now, if I want to fetch some certain data from the list, I will use index. And but now I want to change the data. I'm telling that at the place of zero index, I wanted to keep 100. So one becomes 100. Okay. Now print this. So I did nothing here new, but observe here. This replaces 1 to 100. This happened because list is mutable type. But how you will say that? So memory perspective you have to understand here. That's what the learning. Okay. Memory perspective. Basically mutable types are uh, again I'm taking you back with this example only on the whiteboard so that I can explain with respect to the memory addressing. That's the only key point. After that it is easy to go. I have taken this code. Okay, fine. I have taken this code. Observe here, when you created A, in that some value passed. This is list. So A is referring to this particular memory location, and here the value is this. So this is label. This is name, just a name. Okay, but value is this. So this is object. So this is object. In programming, actually anything which is exactly available, I mean real world, if anything is available, that is object only. Now you see here at zero index, what is that? 1. So if this is zero index, this is 1, and this is second index number. Okay. Now what you are telling, I will keep 100 here. So at the same place, you are able to make the changes. So this 100, 2, 3, this happened because this is mutable type. So what is happening here? Reference is same only. Only object you are changing. I mean value you are changing inside that. So the memory prospect, basically, let me take it back again on the VS Code so that I can emphasize it. Okay, fine. Uh, let's say A equals to 1 comma 2. Okay, fine. No problem. Let me print it. ID. Okay. And in the pass the A. That's it. Control save. And let me make it comment so that it not print only this. You get, see here, some memory address is coming for this. Okay. Now, next what I will do, I will insert some value inside this particular list. You know, there are various type of methods we have gone through. You please practice it. Append, I will pass you 3. What it will do, it will insert at the end of a list this value. Okay. Control, save. Now, my motto is to making you understandable ID, and inside that now you pass A. So I will run it. Observe here, both memory addresses are same. They are referring to the same memory address. Means after changing also you are getting the work done at the same memory location. This is what I was explaining. Understood? Now I will explain the concept of the immutable. Okay, that's the very important. This is the concept of mutable. You understood? Now immutable. For immutable, let's say I'm taking the variable name. In that I'm passing my name only. Okay, fine. Now if I will try to add some, I mean, I want to try to replace the value beneath to beneath. Okay, B. Will it work? Will it work? Observe here. It is telling type error. A string object does not support the assignment operator. So you can't edit it. Okay, you can't change it. This is what the property of immutable. So you got the type error. Keep in mind here. Now, how to handle this kind of a situation? Okay. So I will come to that point, how to handle this kind of a situation, but or else let me explain that only. So I want to put B at the place of V. How I will do that? So to do that, we have a various ways. The best way, concatenation with slicing. Observe here how I will do that. Name equals to what I want to put B. I want to put B only. Then concatenation name, and in that I will say I don't want to print V. I will start from I. Okay. So I is at one index. Okay. And till end it will go. So this is slicing. Okay. You are aware about this. And let me make it comment. Oh, sorry. Only this line I want to make comment. Now, control say. Uh, Print the name. What it will return? Observe here. Beneath. Beneath got replaced by beneath. But thing is, this name and this name both are having unique memory addresses that you cross verify. How you will verify? Let me make it comment. So let me just explain it. This is there. Okay, fine. Check ID for the name. Fine. And how you want to print it, huh? So pass it because we are at interacting mode. So keep in mind and pass inside the print. If I will run it, you see some memory address is coming. But once I have done this operation, let me save it. Now, just let me print the ID for the this name. Okay, variable is same only. That should return the same. But let me check what is happening here. You are getting a different ID. So work it is working. But what is happening? This is different memory address and this is at different memory address. Same variable but different memory address. So this is the concept of the what you're calling it immutable data types. Now let me list out. Okay, let me take you on the whiteboard. Here, let me list out what are the mutable data types and what are the immutable data types. So always remember there is an important classification. What is mutable and what is immutable data types, or what are the immutable and immutable data types. Observe here, list, dictionaries, okay, and set. These are the immutable. Means you may put the value, you may change it at the same memory location, no problem. I have another integer, fine. I have float, I have a string, I have tuple. These are basically the immutable data types. This means that it's like editable notebook and this is like a printed book. Fine. It's editable, and it's like printed book. Keep in mind. Hmm? So what is the purpose of this? Why we have a concept this kind? So you want always better performance. You want always memory optimization. You want data safety. Because of that, these kind of classification. Okay. So keep in mind this thing. Here only you understood the concept of the what is the difference between mutable and immutable. Got it? Got it? So to clarify this, use ID function. Okay, I'm stopping here this video. Rest of things I have explained in the classroom. Thank you.